Hello again, it's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Grand Design Imagine 2250 RK. Rear kitchen, single slide out, queen bed up front. Great couples camper, new cabinetry, that lighter Pebble decor. Let's take a look. All right, starting on the outside of the Imagine, you'll see powered tongue jack on the front, LED docking lights on that front cap, two 20-pound propane bottles, spot for 2 batteries, nice rock guard on the front. You are prepped for solar, slam latch, thick, well-insulated compartments, full pass-through storage. You'll see motion sensor lighting. Your docking station has cable, 110 receptacle, battery disconnect, and your tank fills. Your outside shower, and everything can feed right through the bottom, so you can keep this door shut and well insulated. Your tank fill, black tank flush, and a nice convenient light right next to your sewer connection. All 4 corner stabilizer jacks, ladder for roof access for maintenance, prepped for backup camera. You do have the exhaust vent for your range. This is a 30 amp service. Your spare tire mounted on the bumper. Step above, entry steps all the way to the ground. Very stable, very easy to use. Steps fold right up into the camper. Nice and clean. No exposed frame. You close the door, and they're up out of the way. Large assist handle, LED lights in the full length awning, magnetic latch for the door. You do have cable 110 hookup outside, so if you want to bring a TV out. Outside speakers, second large assist handle. Your front entry steps are the aluminum fold-in steps, more traditional steps. You do have a spray port on the door side, so you can spray those steps off, spray the pet off, or have water hookup on this side. This front door leads you right into the bedroom. And then the other side of your pass-through storage. Storage compartments have the magnetic clips that hold them up. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, so entering into the 2250 RK Imagine. Single slide out, rear kitchen, new cabinetry, new hardware, new lighter Pebble decor, new accents and hardware on the cabinets. So starting there with the theater seating. A lot of people asking, setup, breakdown, taking apart this table, how hard is it, how much time does it take? I mean, this would be during the day. You've got your food, you want to sit, you can scoot over in front of the table. You can turn the table this way so there's more room. Technically, someone could straddle the table. You could sit 3 people. You do have cup holders, Does recline, so sit back, relax, tilt back. You got plenty of room. People can still walk even past me. Again, I'm 6'5", my legs hang off, but you can still walk by. Very comfortable theater seating. You can raise this up out of the way. One thing I'll say is table just comes right off. Pedestal comes out. Very easy setup. You'll see right down low there's just a little bracket on the front of the face of the seat. Set the bracket. Just a little hole in the bottom. And again, you can spin it. Comfortable enough to set your stuff on there. It's not flying around. But again, pop this off. Remove the table. It fits perfect under the bed. But now you have room for 3 people to sit. Again, 1 person on the end with the armrest. Pull the cord and you can recline. So setup and breakdown of the theater seating with the removable table. That is directly across from the fireplace. From the stereo, CD, AM, FM, DVD player, USB hookups on the front. One nice thing here, that TV lowers down into the cabinet. So you've got the window that opens up, and then you push a button. The TV raises right up out of the cabinet when you're ready to watch TV. So nice setup there, directly across from the sitting area. During the day, you want more light, lower the TV back into the cabinet, open up that roller shade. You got more daylight. Speaking of the roller shades, they do black out. They're not the pleated shades, but they definitely open up the lighted area and block out the sunlight if that's what you're looking for. So again, directly across, TV, electric fireplace. You do have storage, so great pantry. Very open pantry area. Dometic refrigerator. Rear kitchen, which is unique. You have the solid stainless steel sink. You have a roll-up cover that covers that. It gives you a flush cover. Then you have a 3-burner range with a flush cover as well that acts as countertop space. LED lights, nice oven. Again, tons of storage. Drawers. Nice spot for a trash can. That's one hard thing in the campers is where do you put the trash can? Nice cabinet there for a trash can. Full-length drawers, receptacles throughout, so plug in that coffee pot. Overhead deep storage. Microwave and exhaust fan that blows to the exterior. Ducted AC. Nice and quiet. Your overhead cabinetry. Your convenience center controls your main lights. Awning slide out and tells you what's in all the levels of your, and tells you how much in each of your holding tanks. You do also have motion sensor lighting. Another nice feature, solid doors. So you don't want everybody looking right into the bathroom, all the way into the bedroom. Close it off. Someone gets up earlier, close off the bedroom, bathroom. Nice area. Magnetic latch holds it open. Strap holds it for travel. Pass-through bathroom. Tons of room around the toilet. Tons of cabinet space. Toilet is porcelain. The foot flush. Enough room if somebody's standing at the sink, you can get through to the bedroom. And you've got a nice window for light, exhaust fan, and overhead skylight. Nautilus shower door. Gets rid of the spills. Easy to keep clean. Nice shower door. Another spot here for rolled up towels and a nice towel bar. Queen walk around bed does have storage underneath it with the hydraulic arms to hold it up. You do have receptacle, USB plugs. You drop that bed down. Storage all over. Again, drawers and hanging space. That new soft touch headboard, and everybody gets their own little night light. You can change colors to night light blue or a little more light if you want that way. Second doorway to get outside from here, and then you have a spot for a second TV in the bedroom. So again, brand new 2020 Grand Design Imagine 2250 RK, single slide out, new Pebble decor. You have the option of that theater seating, booth dinette. You know, there's some different options you can put there. Great space for a couple. I mean, you're just gonna sleep two people in this one unless you did the booth dinette. But again, very popular model. Please continue to subscribe to my channel, Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. I'd love to hear some comments. Set up a time to come see it in person. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV, Yorktown, Virginia. Thanks, have a good day. Again, thanks for watching the video. Please continue to subscribe to my channel, Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. I've loved all the comments. 63 plus years in the business, Dodd RV, Yorktown, Virginia. I've got many campers going on during the week. I've got many new campers going on, a lot of new floor plans, decors, new fabrics, stuff going on daily. If you have a question or there's a model that you have not seen on the video, shoot me a comment or you're comparing it to another model. I've done a lot of comparison videos too on Murphy beds, decors, options, what changes from 19 to 2020 models. So please shoot me comments. I'd love to hear from you. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV.